Imagine never missing another call again, even when you're with a client, driving, or fast asleep. Right now, every call that slips to voicemail is probably a customer calling your competitor instead. Today, I'll show you how to build a simple AI receptionist that answers every single call, sounds warm and friendly, answers the common questions, and books the appointment right onto your calendar. No missed calls, no dead-end voicemails, no lost revenue. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Picture this. You're with a client, your hands are full, and your phone starts ringing. You can't answer it, so it rolls to voicemail. The caller hears that beep, hangs up, and just calls the next business on their list. It happens during your busiest hours after you close and all weekend long, and most of the time you never even know it happened. Here's the hard truth. Most people who reach a voicemail will not leave a message. They hang up and call someone else because they want help right now, not a call back tomorrow. So every missed call isn't just a missed call. It's very likely a missed customer who already found someone else to help them. Now let's put a real number on it. Think about what one new customer is actually worth to you over time. For a med spa, a dental office, or a real estate agent, a single client can be worth thousands of dollars across all the visits and referrals they bring. So if you're missing even a few calls a week, you're not losing pocket change. You're quietly losing thousands of dollars every single month. Now here's the good news. You don't have to keep losing those calls, and you don't have to hire a full front desk team to fix it. You can set up an AI receptionist that never sleeps, never takes a lunch break, and never lets a call go to voicemail. It picks up every time, sounds friendly and natural, and handles the call for you. Let me show you how the whole thing fits together. Here's the entire system on one screen. A call comes in, day or night, and instead of ringing out, your AI receptionist answers it right away. It greets the caller warmly, answers their common questions, and then does one of two things. It either books them straight onto your calendar, or it takes a detailed message so nothing is ever lost. 3 simple pieces all working together for you around the clock. The first piece is the most important one. It always answers on the very first ring. There's no hold music, no after-hours voicemail, and no caller waiting and giving up. Whether it's noon on a Tuesday or midnight on a Sunday, the phone gets picked up and the caller feels heard right away. That alone can win you business your competitors are letting slip away. The second piece is the part your customers actually feel. The AI receptionist sounds warm and natural, almost like a real person, so callers feel comfortable and taken care of. It answers their questions, checks your availability, and books the appointment right there on the spot while they're still interested. No phone tag, no waiting for a callback, just a booked appointment in seconds. And that's the magic of the second piece. While the caller is still on the line and excited, they're already on your calendar. The appointment is set before they ever have a chance to change their mind or call someone else. The third piece is the quiet win that people often overlook. When someone isn't ready to book or has a question that needs you personally, the AI takes a clear, detailed message. It captures their name, their number, and exactly what they need, then sends it right to you. Nothing falls through the cracks, and every lead is saved so you can follow up when you're free. And here's the beautiful part. This works for almost any business that lives and dies by its phone. Real estate agents, med spas, dental offices, coaches, fitness studios, and online shops all win the same way. Wherever a missed call means a lost customer, an AI receptionist quietly turns those calls into booked appointments instead. The best part is that it works around the clock, even while you sleep or focus on the actual work you love. Those late night calls, the early morning ones, the weekend rush when you're closed, all of them get answered. While you rest or serve the customers in front of you, your AI receptionist keeps quietly filling your calendar in the background. And you only have to set this up one time. Once it's built and connected to your calendar, it just runs day after day with no extra effort from you. There's no app to babysit and no daily tasks to remember. You build it once and it keeps answering, booking, and capturing leads for you forever. So here's the big idea I want you to walk away with. Every missed call is a missed customer, and those add up to real money over time. But it doesn't have to be that way anymore. With one simple AI receptionist working for you all day and all night, You can answer every call, book every appointment, and never lose another lead again. So here's the whole idea. An AI receptionist answers every call on the first ring, sounds natural and helpful, books the appointment, and never lets a single message slip away. You set it up one time, and it works for you forever, day and night. If you'd like the exact build I use with my clients, just comment "Automate" below and I'll send you the free template, or book a quick 15-minute demo using the link in the description. I'm Cindy with Advanced AI Automation.